Grand Rising. So again, we're talking about this adulterous woman here and trying to figure out who we're talking about. Like, an adulterous woman also, for me, can mean a foreign woman, man or child, that's in a land that has been caught doing something that will damage that land or that lander. So I can see why God would have said, don't do that. It may not have been actually even with that particular being. It may have been the thing or the way that they've gone about doing whatever they were doing. I feel like whatever this mistreatment is was to end up defiling the energy of the true essence of God, living God on this planet. And so that they can exalt someone that may fit a little bit better because of, it may be because of some kind of unjust or racist act or reason here. And I feel like they could drown out the real voice of God, the real essence or energy of God. These are people that are trying to get in a position on earth where that goddess is going to sit, right? That accuse her of these things, the very things that they are doing. So the adulterer, I feel like there's a time for judgment. And I feel like I've been under that judgment. And I feel like anybody can, nobody is perfect, but nobody can say all of these things about these lies or these claims that they try to project on me. Anything that happens within the heavens or in other realms or in the ether or somewhere else with some other energy that might be me has nothing to do with me. The soul, core, or purpose, my journey, feeling, again, I feel like whatever this red dot is on the Empress's forehead represents that masculine energy that's going to be tethered to her, I guess, regardless. But he won't have that same type of access if he chooses to go somewhere else. And that's okay for that to happen. But I feel like whatever this is, somebody just wants to have the Empress off balance again. Because she has a lot on her fucking plate. Maybe these people feel ignored or something, or they're mad or jealous or whatever. I don't know what it is. You know what I'm saying? I know that there's a lot of essence to that being in their DNA, locked into their DNA code. So people feel like they can, it's like that usury energy. They feel like they can just suck. You know what I'm saying? And, do whatever they want to do to her because she is a fixed energy. It is a fixed energy. Doesn't mean that she has to stay fixed in that one place. But I feel like I said, when it comes to these old traditions or whatever this is, she is more of a being that is going to be delivered, okay? It's almost like birthing a nation. She will be delivered to her next destination, all right? And it will be by a man of some type of stature, a being or whatever, of some type of stature, and of some type of, within society, okay? It's not going to be just no regular motherfucker. I mean, I just don't see that happening. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people want to see the Empress off of her throne in the streets. You know what I'm saying? I feel like it's shady. The only reason why they've been, like I said, teasing or fucking with that energy because money is the last thing on the Empress' mind because she's usually set up in a place or where she doesn't really have to worry about that. She's very, not just like basic, but she doesn't deal with greed and all these things like this. And, she can do with or she can do fucking without, you know what I'm saying? And so she's just a valuable asset to the community or to society. So usually when people care about themselves and they care about their community or they care about society, they care about this person. You see what I'm saying? And like I said, only thing these people can be fixed on with talking about, because she is she's like a fucking commander in chief. She really don't. And that's why I'm saying she has to have the team that's going to help her in that way that she don't have to worry. Because to have people that actually want to see you out on your ass, on your team, so they can put somebody else in your spot or your position, you got to worry about that shit all the time. You also got to be, you got to be able to look out for your angels or your ancestors or whatever that go out or come back in the night, whatever they do, and like I said, I'm not going to feel bad about shooting down some shit that I see. And at the end of the day, I said what I said. And if somebody want to go ahead and get mad about it, they can. I feel like the energy of the overhead energy or the shadow energy that, again, an Aquarius has brought into my motherfucking life, okay, and possibly even a Libra, okay, and like I said, is adulterous fucking women. If we want to look at it like that, as somebody trying to cuff somebody from somebody, you know what I'm saying, because they had a heightened sense or view as to what was going on with this person and decided they wanted to step in and dip into that person's Akashic records and go ahead and use their gifts that might be a little bit more lofty or height at a different height than possibly the Taurus or possibly a more fixed sign. They took advantage. They are liars. They are cheaters. They are idolatrous. Okay. These are more than likely, again, foreign. They're not Hebrew. Okay. And they benefit off of Hebrew blood. It's just it and it's done. So again, if a masculine, should just be careful that he may be under some form of sorcery. And that's just it at the end of the day. Okay. They use tricks and like tricky things here. Like, again, these are people that are authors of confusion, but they seem like on the outside, they seem very smooth and direct. But there's always some shady shit going on in the background. I'm going to keep on motherfucking talking about it because I don't like the fact that I see what the fuck been going on here. And if a motherfucker want to leave this motherfucker, he sure the fuck can. At the end of the day, and it ain't going to change nothing about what the fuck my situation is. It take all these niggas and all these females to get together and try to come against me, to press me or keep me in some fucking situation. And again, it don't matter. I don't have to be having a whole bunch of money and shit to floss, motherfucker. Other shit is being very motherfucking abundant and over fucking flowing. And when I get my mate, which again should have happened, but again, this mate must be intimidated or hiding something or afraid of me in some sense. And so, because again, I don't know what had changed, but the fact that I sense that this Aquarius and this Libra and other fucking energies, again, that may be more powerful in sorcery and shit like that, which means they can't get into heaven. So what they decided to do is try to jailbreak into fucking heaven. And heaven, you know what I'm saying, is just that temple to me. My heaven is already within me. My heaven is my mind. Everybody want to get there. Everybody watching want to see what the fuck somebody thinking. You see what I'm saying? So again, out of spite, malice, jealousy, and envy, a masculine that's really close to me, that feels some kind of way about me and doesn't want to see me in a certain position because they've been always in a lofty position and they don't want to see me fucking rise, is the reason why they choosing some other bitch over me if that's what the fuck they doing. At the end of the day. But it ain't gonna change shit around here. Period. And these people will act like, oh, I just have to leave and run away from this empress because she's running after me, or this feminine or whatever. With this, no, motherfucker, because you broke the code, bitch. And that means you and that bitch probably need to get the fuck on their belly and motherfucking leave and dip. It's my motherfucking turn. And I'm not gonna sit there and bury my head in the sand for no motherfucking body. I got more shit to be doing than try to be chasing after a motherfucker. If they want to leave, that's what they could do. I see my personality in these bitches. Do you know how hard that is to sit here and see somebody been fucking with your fucking DNA and fucking with your energy and passing off your energy like it belonged to fucking them, to other bitches? So you got to go around the world like a fucking Horus or whichever one was cut into these motherfucking pieces and find your motherfucking self in other bitches. So this somebody just letting you know that no matter what the fuck you do, you was never. So if this is a kind of God, like I said, if this is a God, a little g God, or any kind of type of God energy on this earth, then he ain't worthy of being his motherfucking self then. Period. My conditions was you ain't gonna put no other bitch over me because I see what these bitches do to me. And I'm more valuable than any motherfucking bitch that you gonna pull from any motherfucking pit or anything else on this motherfucking earth. In my eyes, when it comes to the agenda and the shit that I came here to do. And this is why these masculines and these feminines work together in couples and all kind of shit to try to keep me from that. Because they want to sit there and play in my motherfucking house, bitch. Well, one day, I'm not going to be broke forever. And it's going to be, matter of fact, it's going to come down